Welcome back to Blue Jay Bonsai. On this episode, I head out on a snowy day to pick up my win from the Toronto Bonsai Society auction and a few of the calendars that I had ordered. And since I was in the area, Derrick agreed to meet me at Kim's Nature, one of my favorite bonsai stores, and the first place I ever visited when I got into bonsai. And somehow we had timed it perfectly to see Wayne, our friend from the club, as he showed up with a brand new load of pottery. Derrick, I don't think you need any more pots. What are you doing?
I do. I need more pots. That's why I'm here. I need a big pot for all those
the geranium or hibiscus,
right? Yeah.
All this lava, fir bark, curio, akadama, yuma, and Derrick. And here's my favorite.
Here's super moss.
My favorite super moss. Pretty succulent mix.
Yeah, it's awesome.
I love this one. These little guys are cool. What do you think of these, Derrick? This thing is giant. What did you decide on, Derrick?
I gotta get this one too. So this is a nice unglazed pot for my little pine forest.
Nice. don't forget to come back in the summer when all of the pre-bonsai and bonsai are outside on display. Okay, so what did I get today? Well, of course, as I mentioned, the first thing I got was the Toronto Bonsai Society 2022 calendar. Pretty exciting. It's got some great trees. This is Connor's Gollum Jade. And of course, Nigel's Large Forest. And if we jump ahead to the end, you'll see James's Whittle Leaf Ficus, as well as my Cotoneaster. I'm so proud of James. And of course, I also picked up the pot that I won in the auction. It's a used Japanese tokonami pot. It's got a beautiful shape and size, and might be good for medium-sized, small-ish bonsai, or perhaps I will use it for some type of a forest as well. We'll see. And next up, it's this pot that I got at Kim's Nature. It's a used pot, so it was a great price. And I think it's going to be perfect for an upcoming project. You'll have to stay tuned to see what that is. It is a forest, that's all I'm going to say. Oh, I almost forgot. I also picked up this cool dragonstone. I'm going to use it for a future root over rock project. I think it looks pretty good in the new pot from Kim's Nature. But I also really like it in the auction pot.